Hello, I'm Anthony Hudson. Welcome to Friday Night Football. We're live from the Melbourne Cricket Ground. It's the first preliminary final between Collingwood and Richmond. It's all on the line. A coveted berth in the grand final is up for grabs, but it'll be a summer of discontent for the team that falls short. And here come the visitors. Joins me. Who's your pick today, Huff?
Good to be here, Hutto. I've tipped the Tigers. They're capable of beating anyone on their day. At their best, they're a formidable side and an entertaining one too. They get off to a good start, they'll be hard to stop.
Thanks for that, Huff. The two captains are in the middle. Time for the coin toss. Friday night footy is go. Nankervis slaps it out. Prestia, Pickett. Delivers to centre half forward. Good disciplined defence. Martin going at his first, and he's got it.
If they can get up ahead of steam, they'll be hard to stop. That was a terrific passage of play, culminating in a great goal.
The Tigers on the board early. Prestia. Will the umpire pluck a free kick? Pickett in some space now. Howe wins the contest and can relieve the pressure. Going for territory. Hoskin Elliott. Away he goes. Gives it everything. Elliott has it within range.
That was great use of the body. He's so hard to beat in those situations.
He's going for it. I think he's dobbed it. It's a magnificent kick.
It's always good for the confidence to see that first shot go straight through.
Back on terms again. The big men fly. Hopper stripped of it. Side bottom. What's he got on offer? McStay had his name written all over it.
If he can nail this first shot at goal, he might just be in for a big day.
Set sail for home, and he has delivered.
That's tremendous play, not only to win the ball, but to navigate a tough set shot. He'll be brimming with confidence.
The Pies were underdogs coming in, but they look anything but in the early going. Nankervis palms it down. Prestia, McIntosh. He's been busy so far. Poor footy there. Searching kick. Hoskin Elliott is hard to beat one-on-one. Sees something he likes. Looking to extend this margin. That's an impressive mark.
It's not a gimme goal, but certainly one that should be kicked.
He's normally dependable, and he is this time.
The Pies have had a great start. Their energy is terrific. They're moving the ball well and hitting the scoreboard.
So the underdog throwing down the gauntlet. You can see their belief growing. Prestia Was he taken high? Dacos comes free in the tackle. Sonzi at close quarters. Not sure who that was meant for, but it's been picked off. And we will do it all again. Cox wins the tap. They're going hammer and tong. Cochin, Bolton on a lead. He hasn't kicked it very well. It's amounted to nothing. Keen to get the ball moving. They've had the better of the contest to this point. Dacos has a vice-like grip. Clever kick. Cox! Can you believe it? Oh, that's incredible. Absolutely amazing. He's off. The Tigers forcing them out wide. Hoskin Elliott, strong grab. Who's at home? Myercheck wins the contest hands down.
This is what he gets paid to do, kick these goals.
He doesn't miss many of these, and he hasn't missed that one.
He might just be in for a big day.
The Pies are on song. It's all going right so far for them. Punch clear. Prestia. He's so good in close. They'll sweep this ball forward. The Tigers need to make inroads soon. Away he goes. Doesn't often waste it. Elliott. That might attract a pack. Myercheck gets to the front spot. Heads long towards goal. He's got the distance, but not the accuracy. Floston almost threw it out.
He's in trouble. That must be holding the ball. The Pies have certainly looked a better side. They'll be hard to catch.
There goes the kick, and he's put it through.
They've got 5 for the quarter now, and there's time for more too.
The Pies seemingly on top all over the ground at the moment. Nankervis with the tap. Prestia. Feeling the heat. Ralph Smith breaks the line. Good kick. Lynch has found some space.
Can he deliver? Yeah, back him more often than not.
Drop punt, and he has put it away.
They've looked to the likely source to provide a spark, and he's done just that.
They've broken the run of goals at the other end, but they need a run of their own now. Nankervis wins it out of the centre. Prestia. Mitchell is cool under pressure. McStay is so strong one-on-one.
To really stamp some authority on this match.
Two already today. Can he make it 3? You bet he can.
A case of too strong and too good. I don't think there was much more the defender could have done.
The Tigers will need to respond. It's being put to them. Nankervis with a deft tap. Hopper, Pickett. Probing ball. Ralph Smith can just about finish it himself. Well played.
It's one of those ones that should be kicked. It's amazing how often players miss them.
It's on the way. Good-looking kick. He's dogged it.
That's a timely, steadying goal in the shadow of the quarter time.
The Pies with the early advantage. They're up and about, but the challenge will come. Gary Lyon is down on the boundary. Gaz, what have you got for us?
The Tigers have a lot of work to do. They were pretty ordinary in the first quarter. A good start to this term will have them believing again. But they've got the job ahead of them. Their opponents look very switched on.
Thanks, Gary. As we get going again. Good ruck work. Prestia farms it out. Pickett into the action again already. Bolton, McIntosh running in support. The Tigers can build something here. That's online. It's a goal. Are they on their way back?
They needed to get the first of the second quarter, and they have.
The scoreboard suddenly looks more manageable. Sonzi can send them into attack. He's been dispossessed. The Pies are bringing great energy. McStay, too big, Too strong, too good.
To extend the margin beyond 3 goals.
It's not an easy kick, but I tell you what, he's made it look easy.
Marks inside 50, a walk-away goal when you go back and convert the goal.
The Pies are really taking it to them today. Nankervis, the winner there. It's no place for the faint-hearted. Cox, can he find a teammate? Bolter tries to spike it out of the danger zone. Hoskin Elliott.
Sometimes footy comes down to who makes the fewest mistakes. That was a shocker.
Goes long. Crisp takes an excellent grab. They'll compete inside the 50. Myercheck, great body work.
The Pies are working harder at the present time and they're reaping the rewards.
Myercheck gets his second.
I think this margin is more or less reflective of the difference in class between these sides so far today.
The Pies have got it on their terms. Nankervis showing his skills. Prestia, he's everywhere at the moment. Howe had the presence of mind to get to the dangerous spot. Penetrating ball. Manages to find a teammate. Good penetration on the kick. Who's front and centre? Noble. You can see their confidence growing. McStay. That's a big play.
Bread and butter, you'd think.
He's a good set shot, and he's buried that one.
The Tigers are on the ropes. They need a spark before this one gets away from them.
The Pies go on their merry way. Nankervis punches it out of the ruck. Short, couldn't get a disposal. Mitchell, that's not a mark. Drives it inside the forward 50. McStay can go back and shoot it goal. He's off. He's completely shanked it.
The non-preferred lets him down.
The Tigers might be able to start something. Rioli with a chance to relieve the pressure. Nankervis on centre wing has marked. Bolton throws it on the boot. Lynch has marked in front of goal.
Normally a reliable kick. Can he make this one count?
Looking to pull one back, and that's exactly what he's done. Well played.
He has produced a clinical finish there to cap off a terrific passage of play.
The Tigers are just hanging in there, but they need to string some goals together. Prestia just had to get it out. Nankervis, this is promising. Another goal, and they'll believe. Howe wins the contest and can relieve the pressure. Delivers a long ball. Cox uses the body well. They're huffing and puffing. Myercheck looms large as usual.
To push the margin beyond 30.
They like it behind the goals. He's got it.
Showing exactly why they want the ball in his hands.
The Tigers look at breaking point. Nankervis wins it down. Prestia. Was he held without it? Hopper, Rioli, Sonzi, Broad. Drives it inside the forward 50. Oh, what about that for a mark? Away he goes. They're playing with purpose and poise. Broad making his claim for the Golden Fist Award. Gathers it cleanly on the wing. Can he be the fire starter? The Pies have all the answers. Spills out in the tackle.
Must be holding the ball, and it is.
Quaynor leads his opponent. They need to hit the scoreboard here. How? That's one for the highlights reel. Sees something he likes. They've got winners all over the park. Hoskin Elliott. The Tigers have denied them the corridor. Elliott takes a beauty. Long ball in. Myercheck read it well and claims the mark.
This is a tall order, but if anyone can do it, it's him.
From the pocket. Looks good. Is good.
He's very dangerous anywhere in or around 50. A real class act.
The Pies might be about to land a knockout blow. The two big men do battle. Prestia, can he force his way through? Hopper has some attention to deal with. Well, I suppose if you're going to turn it over, that's not the worst place. He's generally a good kick. Dacos. They're hungry for more. Half-time and the home fans are absolutely wrapped with what they've seen so far. It couldn't have gone much better. Let's head down to Gary Lyon on the boundary.
The Pies will not care one bit that this game has been dour and lacking in goals. They're in front and that's all that matters. So expect them to continue to bring the hard, defensively minded edge that's earned them this lead.
Couldn't agree more, Gary. Thanks for that. The big men fly. Prestia couldn't get an effective disposal. Mitchell, he's wrapped up. Hoskin Elliott, he's caught. It's a high kick, a real rainmaker. Noble, strong grab.
He's not on the board yet. That should change here.
He's got it done.
The Tigers have to do something. It's getting out of hand.
This one might be settled now. Nankervis has rucked tirelessly. Prestia somehow released the ball. McStay is a beacon in that forward line.
Well, there's one side working hard at the moment. The other side just sitting back waiting for their teammates to do the work.
Kicks for goal. It's a lovely looking kick. He's drawn it.
They've got no answers for him. He's too big, too strong, too good.
The Tigers need to pull their finger out. They've been poor. Punch clear. Hopper, he put himself in the line of fire. Knew the tackle was coming. Short. Blasts away. Maynard wins it back. Great mark. Sees an opportunity and plays on. Normally delivers. They've opened them up here. Good hands. Pendlebury. They're cutting them to ribbons. Defence 101 there. McCreary. Mitchell. The Pies are playing some great footy. Noble. That one was always his.
This deserves a goal. Should be a goal.
He's already got one. Now he's got two.
They had to be patient, but they were able to pick their way through and eventually score.
The Tigers are having a nightmare. Nankervis wins it down. Hopper, crunching tackle. That might have been dropping the ball. McStay had his name written all over it. That's come off the instep.
Bad kicking there, out on the full.
Ignoring the corridor for now. Baker on a lead. Sees something he likes. It's hard to find a winner for them today. Pickett. Playing for pride now. This is good ball movement. Baker. He's got an option in the centre square. DeGoey with the big fist. Nankervis just waiting for the right moment to press go. Short gets his kick despite the heat. No wonder the forwards are frustrated. He's off. Kicks to a contest. Hoskin Elliott. Keen to get the ball moving. It's a tough game.
Great pressure there and gets the reward.
That's skillful. Good thinking and good execution too. Into the pocket he goes. Spud Frawley would have loved that one. And we'll have a throw in.
What are your thoughts, Gaz?
The Tigers aren't doing their forwards any favours here. It might be time for the coach to switch things up.
Cox, the winner there. DeGoey. This might be a chance for the high flyers. McStay! Gary Ablett Sr., eat your heart out. Away he goes. Here's the vital kick inside the 50. Elliott has a way of drawing the footy.
He hasn't looked like missing so far, so I'll back him in here.
Kicks at goal, and that's travelling straight over the goal umpire's hat.
It's one thing to be outclassed, but this is starting to get a real stench about it.
The Tigers are shot. What a debacle it's been. Nankervis gets his hand to it. Good tackle. Pickett kicks inside the forward 50. Lynch got to the right position and hung on. Rioli. It's a goal.
They've got to find a way to get him into the game. We know how damaging he can be.
They've pulled one back, but they need plenty more where that came from. Cox wins it out of the centre. De Goey is a clearance beast. This is promising. Flostone affects the turnover. Gets the kick away. Mitchell clears the area. Elliott only knows one way. He didn't break stride. Broad runs onto it. I've liked his game today. Gets up high and manages to hold on. Sensational grab. He's off. Is anyone home? Bolter got a fist in. McStay leading from the front. Tarrant didn't need to be asked twice. Quality delivery by foot. The aerialists will battle for this ball. Rioli will keep coming. Pickett in the right spot. There goes the kick inside the 50. Pendlebury. Can he mop up? Cox sees something he likes. They're leading them a merry dance. They could be vulnerable here. He's kicked it high. Bolton has a vice-like grip. Taranto makes position. Nankervis. Rioli has it within range. They sorely need a goal, and he delivers.
That's what happens when you leave players in space inside 50. It's going to hurt you on the scoreboard.
The Tigers haven't thrown in the towel. Credit to them. Prestia, he's lost it. Elliott is a real pocket rocket. Stripped of the footy. Hopper, desperate to win it back. Bolton is hard to beat one-on-one. Howe reads the ball so well. Sees an opportunity and plays on. It's a dominant display. Mitchell. Maybe he could have gone himself. Oh, my word! Up and away!
The Pies are keen to make the absolute most of this, and why not?
He's put them to the sword today, and that's number 5.
He's just not giving the ball back, which makes it hard for any team.
It's time for some observations from Gary Lyon.
The Pies fully deserve their lead, and they've been better in most areas. But one that stood out to me is their intercept marking. They've almost known, on occasions, what their opponents were going to do before they knew themselves.
Couldn't agree more, Gary. Thanks for that. Nankervis with the tap. Prestia. Feeling the heat. Crisp. Keen to get this ball forward. Hoofs it off the deck. Bolter is calm in a crisis. Solid tackle. Not a good kick. In fact, it might be out on the full.
He really should have scored from there. That's a let-off.
Can he hit a target? Hoskin Elliott trying to bring the Crummers into play. Couldn't burst through.
Run down. Great chase.
And they're away. Prestia can keep it moving. Not a lot of positives today. Bolton in the clear on centre wing. Kicks inside the forward 50. Howe is there to thwart that play. Wanting to get on with the job. They might be able to open them up on the other side. Outbodies his opponent and took a ripper. Closed him down.
And he's done for holding the ball.
Just has to hit a target. Rioli demanded the footy and got it. Heads for the pocket. Can they get themselves a consolation prize?
This would give him a shot of confidence.
He's the right man to have it, and he's delivered.
They want to get it in his hands as much as they can with finishing like that.
The Tigers have the first of the last quarter. Nankervis with the tap. Prestia. He'll be sore in the morning. Cochin. Howe wins the contest and can relieve the pressure. That's not ideal. Dacos. Great hands there. Sees something he likes. It's a hot footy.
The lift door's closed on him and he's gone.
Kicks to half forward. Rioli. Kicks laterally. They've turned it over. Can anyone get to the drop zone? Elliott. They're a big chance here. Flostone takes an excellent grab. McIntosh. Away he goes. Good-looking kick. Rioli drives it inside the forward 50. It's a poor entry. A waste, really. Sees an opportunity and plays on. And they're out of trouble. Cox. He's off. They're a delight to watch. Elliott. They've got time to put the kettle on. Gee, they're playing well. Going for a half dozen. He's got it. 6 of the best.
Who'd want to be a defender when the ball's coming down with such regularity?
The scoreboard's about to fall over. It's so lopsided. Nankervis with the tap. Prestia. Short. What a hand pass. Bolton delivers it inside 50. Howe showing why he's such a good defender. He's set upon.
Gone. Caught napping in a dangerous spot. Nothing better than to convert a big contested mark into a goal.
Struck it well. No problems there.
That's a classy finish. We've become accustomed to that from him.
Away we go once more. Cox wins the hit out. De Goey. He's lost possession. Mitchell. Caught. Dropped it like a hot potato. Up and under. Dacos claims a terrific contested mark at centre-half back. Bangs it long. Hoskin Elliott. Drives it deep. Majacek! Going for goal. Flirting with the post.
An ugly-looking scoreboard should probably be looking even uglier.
Broad with the footy. Grimes all on his own. Out wide with the kick. Sonzi with a chance to relieve the pressure. Dishes it off. Useful hand pass. They're giving them nothing. Hoskin Elliott gathers on the forward flank. Almost an accidental intercept. Turned over on centre wing. He's got under that one. Hoskin Elliott. Great body work. Can anyone take a mark? Majacek couldn't quite. Tarrant runs onto it. His field kicking is normally first rate. Mitchell towards the goal mouth. They're putting on a clinic.
It's all just a bit easy at the moment. They're getting the ball inside 50 under, not nearly enough pressure.
Drop punt looks good. He's got it.
3 goals straight, and he's certainly making the most of his opportunities.
We thought this one might be close, but it hasn't turned out that way. Nankervis with a deft tap. Prestia, that's a bruising tackle. They're moving the footy quickly. Howe read it well. He's off. He just keeps racking up disposals. The Pies have winners everywhere. Sees something he likes. They're irrepressible at the moment. Crisp. He's run into trouble. We have a stalemate. Not long left. Can they create something from this forward 50 stoppage? Cox slaps it out. De Goey with an opportunity. It's a high ball. Howe wins it back. Great mark. The Pies are emphatic winners today. The opposition was underwhelming, but you can only beat what's in front of you. That brings our coverage to a close. Thanks for being with us. We'll catch you again soon.